What's up, Cubers? YouTuber here, and welcome to day 3 of TSLE. So today we are looking at the hammerhead case for OCLL, and so there are 6 cases in here, and I'm going to do all of them in this video. So the first case is recognized by the 2 corners here. That's how you recognize these whole 6 algorithms. You recognize it by the front 2 and the back 2. So once you know it's hammerhead, you just put that in the back, and you just recognize these 4 corners. So what you're going to do is R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R2, U2, R, U, R prime, U, R. Alright, so here's how you track the pieces for this one. So basically you're just doing 2 soon algorithms. So you're just going to do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, and that's basically anti-soon. But instead of just doing R prime, you're going to cancel into the actual soon. From this angle, you're just going to do R2, then U2, RU, R prime, U, R. Alright, so these next 2 cases are very similar. This one has a bar on the left and opposites on the right, and the next one has a bar on the right and opposites on the left. Alright, so how you remember it is that when you do the U prime or a U, you're always going to put the bar. If it's on the left, you're going to do the U prime to put the bar in the front. If it's on the right, you're going to do a U to put it in the front. So this one, you're just going to do a U prime to put the bar in the front, and then R, U, R prime, U prime, L prime, U, R, U prime, and then it solves it. Alright, so here's how you track the pieces. So this one is a fairly self-explanatory algorithm. When you do the U prime, it's pretty simple. You're just taking out this little block right here, and then doing a R prime, then U prime, then you're bringing this block up, and then to just reinsert this block back here, you're taking this out of the way, and then just doing R, U prime. Alright, so here's the second algorithm, and if you remember, it has a bar on the right and opposites on the left. You're just going to do a U to put the bar in the front. L prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, L prime, U. Alright, so this one is basically exactly the mirror of the one before. You're just doing the U instead of the U prime, and then you're taking this out exactly the way you did in the other one. Just track the pieces the exact same way. It's just switched. Alright, so this one is recognized by 2 vertical bars. Now what I mean by that is that they just look like they're just, both going up, straight up and down, a bar on the right and a bar on the left. So this algorithm, it goes like this. R prime U, R2, D, RW prime, U2, RW, D prime, R2, U prime, R. Alright, so here's how you track the pieces. So when you do a RU, R2, you're just like, separating this F2L pair like that. Then D, RW prime, U2, RW, and that just brings the pair back. So basically the the edge is right here, and you're doing this, and you're bringing this corner, which is not the white corner, but it is a corner that goes with it, and that corner is actually down here. What you're going to do is then just a D prime, R2, U prime, R, and that just puts that whole pair back together, then U prime, R, and it solves it. Alright, so this is recognized by a bar in the front and opposites in the back. Bar in front and opposites in the back. So what you're going to do with this is R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, L prime, U, R, U prime, L. Alright, so here's how you track the pieces. So when you do a R, U, R, that's just taking out this F2L pair, then U2, and then when you do a R prime, you're just opening up this F2L slot, then you're connecting it with L prime, then you're just inserting it and then putting this pair back. Alright, so the very last algorithm is recognized by a bar in the back and opposites in the front, bar in back, opposites in front. So what you're going to do here is F, U prime, L prime, U, R2, U prime, L, U, R2, F prime. Alright, so here's how you track the pieces. So when you do a F, U prime, L prime, you're just, you're taking this F2L pair out, and then when you do a L prime, you're breaking up this little 1 by 1 by 2 block like there, and then what you're going to do is a U, R2, U prime, and you're basically just breaking up a bunch of blocks, and then what you're going to do after that is just basically fix everything. You're going to do a L, U, and that fixes this block first with a L, and then a U fixes this block again, and now everything else is intuitive. You're just going to do a R2, F prime. Alright, that should be about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.